And the gelatin. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Very delicate color.
Oh yeah, yours white too. だからすごいデリケート。
私のはさ、こんなもん。
つける？やってあげようか。
What is this one?
That is
Orange.
the clementine and pomegranate cake with
Yes.
mascarpone. That one looks like the pecan tart with creme fraiche. And this one is a coffee and chocolate tartlet. And then the other one's smoked trout. That one looks like the fettuccine mushroom sandwich. This one is the heritage beetroot pickled Roscoff onions and horseradish goat's curd. This one looks like the salt beef mini bagel with pickled cucumber and mustard mayonnaise. And this last one is black Iberico tomatoes, 3-cornered leek and mozzarella bruschetta.
I like the decoration, so pretty.
So pretty. Have you seen the flower in the front?
Yes, there's a flower.
come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow, and the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day, and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me. Darling, you've got to keep